What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change the default browser on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To change the default browser, open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. On this window, navigate to the Apps tab and click on the Default Apps option. In the Default Apps window, you'll have two options. First, you can directly input the file or link type, and then choose a default application to open that file or link type. Or scroll down through the list of apps and choose the app you want to set as default. You can also search for apps in this dialog box. Once you select the default app, you'll be directed to a new window where you can further customize what file types to open with the chosen app. In this example, I will choose Google Chrome and set the HTML and WebP as default file or link types. A new window will open up, asking you to change or keep the default app. In case you made a mistake, then scroll all the way down in your Default Apps window, and here you can reset all default apps. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.